All that meat. See how long it takes. Wow. Hello folks, welcome back. In today's video, the heavy duty electric meat grinder. I got this from my cousin Ruth. We'll check it out. You'll learn with me. We'll see how good it is. How effective. Yeah, it says Western heavy duty electric meat grinder and sausage stuffer. Yeah, right here, look at this. If you can see that right there in the lighting, I got my lamp out. Yeah, we'll try it out. It got the electric motor here, right here. And then under here it got the cord. We'll plug it in. Yeah, right there, look, see? Our electric motor. It turns here. That one. And then, here, I'll put it together for you guys. We'll put you down. Right there. Here it is. Then this next piece, you get this piece here. It goes on right here. Push this button, clicks on, and then the next piece here comes on with a gear sprocket here. That goes on, connects in there. Yep, right there it is, the finished product. We'll break it down. I'll break it down for you again and put it back. So this is the top. And this is your components. The button here. Then you put it back on, the first piece. And your sprocket. And your blade. And you get 3 different kinds of burgers, how you want to come out, bigger, smaller. We'll use the middle one. That goes in a little groove here. And then your thing, your cap. Then your top, right there. Yep. We got our buffalo meat here. Marinated overnight. We're gonna put it in our grinder. We'll try it out. The heavy duty electric meat grinder and sausage maker. Wow, look at that. And right there's the buttons on and off. We'll try it out. The Western. Okay folks, I'm all set up. The meat grinder is ready to go in our plate. And our buffalo meat, our buffalo steak. Look at the steak, wow. Big steak, 1 inch. Buffalo steak, marinated. There's our extra components. Bigger burger, smaller burger. And extra sprocket. And for our sausage, our divider, meat divider, and for our sausage, and our meat pusher. Yeah. We'll get that cut up and then we'll make our buffalo burgers. Continuing on. Alright, we'll cut up our burgers in small cubes. Our buffalo meat. We'll make burgers. It'll be very delicious. Yeah, buffalo meat, delicious. We marinate it in its own blood, so it'll soften up, and turned it in the fridge, so it like moistures it and makes it soft. I think smaller cubes maybe it'll work through better the thing. Yeah. I'll get this all cubed up and ready to go for the slicer. That's how I'll cut it up. Yeah, small bite pieces. All right, I'll cut it up like that. Our buffalo meat. Yeah. All right, folks, let's try it out. Try to set you up good here. Right there. Is that good? Yeah. All right, let's try it. We've got the meat here, look. Can you see that? The buffalo meat. Got it cut in cubes. Marinated it. Yeah, and I'll push the button, it'll get loud. So that's how it works. Yeah. Oh, right there, it grabs. We'll feed it. Oh yeah, it's working. You listen to the motor. If it powers down, you wait for a minute. Oh, it's working good. Yeah, we'll make our buffalo burger and we'll get it going. Yeah, the meat grinder is working. The Western heavy duty electric meat grinder. Number 8. Good. I'm just feeding it in through there, look folks. The meat. Oh, it powered down, give it a minute. It's grabbing in the... Working good. We're getting burgers. Yeah, let's get this angle this way for you. Drop it in. Drop it in. Drop it in. Drop it in. See, when I drop it in, it comes out. Drop it in. Comes out. Drop it in. Comes out. Drop it in. Comes out. Oh, look at that. I'll keep it going for you. Look at that burger meat. It's been 2 minutes. 3 minutes now. All that meat, see how long it takes? Wow, buffalo burger, it's gonna be so delicious. With our Western heavy duty electric meat grinder. Feeding it in. See how long this takes. Duty electric meat grinder sausage maker. Yeah, continuing on. We'll get all that in there. Coming down, folks. This meat grinder is awesome. Be good for moose and elk, deer. Deer burger, moose burger. Five minutes. The video is 5 minutes so far on Just filming right now. Right there, the last one, folks. 5-6 minutes. There, took 6 minutes to make all that. Yep, took 6 minutes. What's that?
That's fast.
It is 6 minutes. Hey, April, it's fast, eh? Wow, look at that. Now we're ready for our burgers. Buffalo burgers. Yeah, I think this works good. Awesome. I recommend it. Our Western heavy duty electric meat grinder and sausage maker. Alright folks, that concludes our video. Hope the video was educational on our Western heavy duty electric meat grinder and sausage maker. 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes for this, 4 buffalo steaks. Yeah, that's fast. Yep. Yeah, thank you. Please like and subscribe if you like. Bye for now.